1. The teacher don't allow students to use their phones during class because it can distract other students from paying attention to the lesson every morning. A. Don't allow. B. Can distract. C. Paying attention. D. Every morning.
Understanding things I never could. Tracing lines with fingers light and slow. Watching how the garden starts to grow. Every chapter.
Answer A. Don't allow. Explanation. The subject is singular. The teacher as the subject is singular. Therefore, the verb should also be singular. So, it should be doesn't allow. 2. Although the weather were extremely cold, many tourists still decided to visit the historical castle near the lake during their vacation last winter with their families from Canada. A. Were extremely cold. B. Near the lake. C. Last winter. D. From Canada.
From the atoms to the azure sky, never let the wonder of it die. It is more than just a grade or score. It is what we were created for, to discover every hidden vein of the joy that balances the pain. Oh, the mind is such a
Answer A. Were extremely cold. Explanation. The subject, the weather, is singular. So the correct verb is was extremely cold. 3. My brother suggested to watch a documentary about climate change after we finished eating dinner at the restaurant near our house on Saturday after sunset. A. To watch. B. Finished eating. C. Near our house. D. After sunset. Answer A. To watch. Explanation. After suggest, we normally use a gerund or ing form. Correct. Watching. 4. Each of the employees have received a new identification card before the company introduced its updated security system last month at the main office in Jakarta. A. In Jakarta. B. Its updated security system. C. Last month. D. Have received. Correct answer. D. Have received. Explanation. The subject is. Each is always singular. So the verb must also be singular. Correct. Has received. 5. The students were very excited because they had never saw such an impressive science exhibition before visiting the National Museum with their teacher from school last Friday. A. The National Museum. B. From school. C. Had never saw. D. Last Friday. Answer C. Had never saw. Explanation. After had, we use the past participle. See, saw, seen. Correct, had never seen.
A gentle breath of time. Shift the lens and focus
6.
on the small.
If I have enough money next year, I plan to continue my studies at a university abroad with my closest friends from this town and we'll travel together.
Just a grade or score.
A. At a university.
Created for
B. From this town.
of the joy that balances.
C. Will travel together.
Love your side, hold it close and never
D.
let it go.
Have enough money.
We finally will know the rhythm of the pen upon the page, breaking free from every mental cage. Faster now, the spark begins to light, chasing shadows through the darkest night.
Answer C. Will travel together. Explanation. After plan to, we use the base form of the verb. Correct. Travel together. 7. One of my classmates studies English every evening because she wants improving her speaking skills before the final examination next semester at our university with her friends. A. Next semester.
Love to
B. With her friends.
watch the
C. Improving her speaking skills. D. At our university.
love to learn. Wait for every page to turn. Quiet now, just the sound of breathing. Just the heart of believing.
Answer C. Improving her speaking skills.
Gaze through the labyrinth.
Explanation.
Gaze, close the cover, let
After want, we use the infinitive form, or to plus verb. Correct. To improve her speaking skills.
sweet dreams.
8. The movie was so boring that several people leave the theater before the story reached the most important scene during the 3-hour film last night. A. The most important scene. B. During the 3-hour film. C. Leave the. D. Last night.
Golden dust motes spinning in the air. Sunlight catching ripples in my hair.
Answer C. Leave the.
Secrets low down.
Explanation.
Only dreamers go.
Last night. Use past tense.
Learning things I never could.
Correct. Left the.
Fingers gliding slow, watching how the garden starts to grow.
9. Maria is interested in learning more about artificial intelligence because she hopes to work at the technology industry someday after graduating from college with excellent grades. A. From college. B. With excellent grades.
Tender glow.
C. Interested in learning. D. At the technology industry.
In this quiet space, building castles out of what we know, watching how the inner gardens grow. La da 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 da, la da da da.
Answer D. At the technology industry.
Shift the
Correct. In the technology industry.
finally can see it all, from the atoms to the azure.
10. Neither the manager nor the employees were prepared for the sudden changes that the company announced during the meeting yesterday afternoon in downtown Chicago, and everyone was feeling confused afterward.
The lovely sight, hold it close and never let
A.
it go.
In downtown Chicago.
We will know.
B. During the meeting.
And upon the page, breaking free from
C.
every mental
Was feeling confused.
begins to light, chasing
D. Yesterday afternoon. Answer C. Was feeling confused. Less natural. Was feeling confused. Better. Felt confused.